Hello Dairy Today viewers, from your advisory team at Stewart Peterson. Here's your dairy market review for the week ending October 28th, 2011. Let's start by reviewing some of our dairy products this week and compare price changes to a week ago. We started the CME with our block and barrel cheese markets. Solid gains for those two markets this week with gains of 5 1/4 and 7 3/4 cents respectively. Butter market up quietly 2 cents this week to $1.88. And powder prices also generally higher, led by a key breakout in our December whey price, which closed at 61.5 cents. Class 3 prices as a result put together a very nice week with November and December up 67 cents each. 2012 prices also saw nice gains with additional help from the sharply lower US dollar as well as higher grain prices. Class 4 values on the other hand relatively unchanged from last Friday. Again, highlighting some of the key developments this week, let's start with the dry whey market. Although we've seen a lower pattern in most of our international powder prices over the last several months, our dry whey futures have been very quietly appreciating throughout this time frame, but found key resistance at the 60 cents price level. With that rebound in the last global dairy trading event in the whole milk powder prices, as well as international prices reported higher by the USDA in both Europe and Oceania over the last 2 weeks, finally able to break over that threshold and close at 61.5 cents. This opens up more upside opportunity for this dry whey price, and we'll see if we can see that materialize in the coming weeks. In addition to our powder markets, also seeing some key activity in our cash cheese section. Continue to work within this 10-cent range between about 167.5 and 177.5. But aggressive bidding here on Thursday and Friday have given a little bit of a bullish tone heading into next week. That was very apparent as we look at our November Class 3 futures. Similar to that high-end trading range on the actual cheese price, November is running to key resistance at this $18 level. However, again, with some of that outside market support from the lower US dollar and higher grain markets, able to finally overcome that price, breaking over at Thursday, accelerating with gains here on Friday to close at a price of $18.32. These will be some of the key developments that we're watching for next week. We'll be tuned into our next global dairy trading event on Tuesday, November 1st, seeing if our powder prices can increase on the price reversals that they've seen. In addition, we'll continue to watch that tight trading range in our CME cheese market and see if we can finally see a breakout one way or the other to really set the tone heading into next year. Finally, as October comes to a close, we will get those USDA announced prices on next Friday, November 4th. I'm Stephen Shalla from your Stewart Peterson advisory team for Dairy Today and AgWeb.com.